What is the hottest niche for 2021 for self-publishers? That is coming up right now. What is going on, everybody? Emeka coming at you here. And hey, if you're brand new to the channel, nice to meet you. How you doing? I do one thing here. I make self-publishing simple for you. And that's the goal here with my self-publishing blueprint. In this video, I want to talk about the hottest niche for 2021 and exactly why this niche is guaranteed to make you the most amount of money. This niche is guaranteed to be the most fun you've ever had with self-publishing. This niche is guaranteed to eliminate your competition. You don't want to be concerned about your precious keywords or what Joe Blow is publishing or Susie whatever is publishing. Then this is the niche you need to be in, because I've seen this time and time again with myself, with other publishers, with students, that when they publish in this niche, their results just explode. And that's exactly what I want for you in 2021. So no matter where you were in your business in 2020 or previous years, if you're serious about self-publishing for 2021, you need to pay attention to this. So let's dive into it. So what is the hottest niche for 2021? What's this one niche that's guaranteed to make you more money than any of your other niches? It's this. It's the niche you have the most interest in. What? How's that possible? You were hoping it was going to be something like freaking gardening or this secret niche that nobody knew about. You're still living in the past, bro, girl. Listen, this is, in fact, I think it's like lesson 2 in my self-publishing blueprint when I talk about write down your list of interests and passions and hobbies and publish books around that niche. Listen, if you want to find the most success in self-publishing, you have to publish in stuff you care about, stuff you're interested in. Gone are the days of just publishing generic self-help books or finance books or whatever books. Gone are those days. The market, the whole self-publishing business has changed so much. And in fact, if you want to see the biggest change in self-publishing, watch this video I have coming up here on the #1 biggest change for self-publishing in 2021, because what's changed, it's completely changed how people are going to self-publish in 2021. Now, why do I say you have to publish in something you're passionate or interested in or you're excited about? Because when you do, everything clicks. You will find ways, like the questions. If you want to learn how to promote your books better or market your books better, start publishing books that you like. Start publishing books you care about. Start publishing books you're excited about, because then you will find ways to market and promote them. Not just the Amazon ads. Honestly, any idiot can run Amazon ads and make profit. If they're not hard. But if you really want to stand out from your competition, publish stuff you're excited about, you're passionate about. I was in one of the Facebook groups and I saw the student posts like, yeah, I don't know why I keep publishing self-help books, because that's the lazy way of publishing. He's like, I should publish something around, I think it was like something to do with soccer or something he was excited about. I'm like, no, yeah, obviously. Publish stuff you're excited about. You will find a way to monetize it, ways that nobody else could think of, because you're excited about it. You're passionate about it. And that's the biggest thing you can do for your business in 2021. Is just run a business about stuff you're excited about. Because when you do that, everything else will change for you. Let's talk about it. If you're excited about soccer, publish books around soccer, right? If you're excited about gardening, music, video games, food, guitar, masonry, publish books around those type of topics. Now, masonry, is there going to be a ton of books around masonry? I have no idea. No clue. We'd have to actually do a little bit of research and find. And there might not be a ton of books, but there could be there's a huge backend you could build from it, right? So let's just use those leads and create some sort of info course and sell the course via the books. And you'll make up the money on the back end that you're not getting from the front end because the niche might not be large. But this is exactly, that whole method I just talked about is exactly what our top students are doing in my programs. Exactly what they're doing. But you have to be publishing books around stuff that you're excited about. Everything will change. You think about this, when you're passionate about stuff, you'll put in more effort, right? When you put in more effort, you get better results. When you get better results, you have more fun. And when you have more fun, you're going to put in more effort. And this cycle just repeats itself. And this is the biggest thing that most people are missing, right? They're publishing in something that it looks profitable on paper and they can't understand why they're not making it work. Or they get a book back from the writing company and they don't really read it. They don't, right? Because they don't really have a ton of interest in that particular niche, like computer programming, for example. So they don't, they kind of skim through it and they wonder why, oh, well, the book's no good. Well, you had zero input in the book because you have no interest in the market. So of course the book's not going to be that great. But if you are excited about a particular book, I got gardening on the mind, I don't know why. But if you're excited about learning about gardening and helping others learn about gardening, you're going to make the best damn gardening book you can because you're going to be excited about helping other people like you learn more about how to garden. And that is the biggest change. So you got to publish stuff that you're excited about, and it's like I said, time and time again, publishers who follow this philosophy, they do the best. They face the smallest challenges. They have the most fun. They make the most money. So for 2021, forget all the fancy, colorful BS that you might be hearing in the space. Find something you're excited about. Find that one niche that you're excited about and go publish books on it. You will make money. You will succeed. I've yet to run into one student who said, oh yeah, I'm excited about this. And there wasn't a market for it. Like I keep thinking of countless people who they started publishing on something they were excited about, yet there was no market on Amazon. Now there's a market on Amazon and they're making money with it now. It happens time and time again. So hit me up in the comments. If you want more videos like this, please smash that subscribe button. And oh my gosh, what's the biggest change for 2021 on Amazon? Check this video out. It's coming up right now. Until next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.